Okay, so this basically is my EDC, my everyday carry, right? Um, I'm using We the People also. Uh, so I'm gonna take this weapon out. Um, let you guys see the type of attachment, the stuff that I attached to it. So firstly, what I want to do is to make sure that weapon is clear. There's no magazine. There's no round in the chamber. Alright, so the first attachment is TLR 7X sub. Okay. Second attachment is Allison EPS carry. You know, glass both ways. Third attachment would be from night vision, front and rear side. I remove the factory sides from the Glock. So basically, these are the only attachment to this weapon right now. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not going to make no further changes to it. As I said before, I'm using We the People holster. She's very nice, to be honest. It's really, really nice. Really, 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 really nice. Really nice.